Alright, so we're going to encrypt a secret message using OpenSSL. First off, we're going to go to towards Kyber. So the first thing we want to do is we want to use OpenSSL. We want to encode using coding AES 256 mode CTR, which is what Kyber uses in hybrid mode. It's going to be base 64. Input file is going to be Kyber fork. And that is what Kyber fork looks like in AES 256. Now let's catenate it so you can see where we're getting to in the long run. Alright, so first things first, let's make a message that will lead you to the right place. Nano secret message. This message is a secret. We want to learn how to encrypt our files safely so that we may share them with others safely. Alright. Now, let's encrypt it so we can hypothetically send this to each other. And we'll use the same encoding, AES 256 CTR. You could use CBC or whatever, but we're using CTR because that's what's in the Kyber build as part of the hybrid. Again, it's the base 64. We are input's going to be what secret message. Output will be encrypted secret message. Alright, so cat encrypted secret message. Voila. So let's decode it. Anybody that looks at it doesn't know it, right? So now we're going to use AES. We know what type of encryption it is, which makes it easy. We know the machine language is base 64. We're going to decode it. And the file we're putting in for decoding is sec message. This message is a secret. We want to learn how to encrypt files. Okay, so let's reply to that, right? Now we know how to encrypt it, decrypt it, read it, and we know what the encryption looks like. It's a bunch of googly gook. Somebody that's not using this, right? So, So, don't have to explain this to you anymore. You know, we're encoding using AES 256. We've been using CTR. Let's use CBC on this one. Still base 64. File is going to be the one we just use, secret message reply. And we're going to turn that into the CBC encrypted output of encrypted secret message reply. And it's password protected, so we have that on top of the encryption. So let's catenate that. Now it's been sent, right? Let's just assume you've got this. You don't have the password, so you open ooh, can't see nothing. Alright. But you have OpenSSL. You know what type of encryption we're using, and that we change from CTR on our first message to CBC mode on the second one. So even though we're using the same language and everything, we're going to decode it, and the file input name, the file for it is encode secret message reply. You know the password. Now you can see, wow, it's that easy to use. How can we use the quantum safe encryption method NIST just released? Well, let's look at the Kyber fork. You go and you get the Kyber software from the source. After you've done that, update OpenSSL to this version. And then we're going to have to use either a custom command line fork or build our own. I have Kyber in here, it just does not work. I'm not sure why it doesn't work, but it's what, 768, I think. Hold on, let's find out which one this is. Is 768, and just to show you, it is also in OpenSSL, especially under the cryptography. Yeah, there we go, there's Kyber. So 768, it's a key encapsulation method, base 64. Let's just try to encrypt it, just in case it works. Input encoded secret message reply to output Kyber encoded encrypted message reply. Anyway, that's where I'm at. I can't get it. I need your help. I'm not sure how to add this to invoke it, what kind of programming or scripting we need to change or do, but I think we could try just using a command line tool somebody else has used to maybe better understand it, or use it on our OSX server. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think. Appreciate it. Sorry it took 10 minutes to go through all of that, but I think with this you'll be able to duplicate the results. Happy New Year.